Activation button. Unboxing the STI activation button. Opening the box reveals the following. 1. Button front. 2. Manual. 3. Freestanding frame. 4. Built-in frame. 5. Mounting material. The button can be pushed in and needs resetting with a key. The back of the top frame contains the ports to make normally closed or normally open contacts. The top frame fits on both the freestanding frame and built-in frame. It can be loosened by putting the two protruding points at the top of the key in the tiny holes at the bottom of the frame. The activation button is reset with key. Put the key in the bottom of the frame and turn it a quarter of a turn.